Learn advanced adjectives with their opposite words. Perceptive. Quick to notice or understand things. She is very perceptive and notices small changes quickly. Oblivious. Not aware of what is happening around you. He was oblivious to the noise. Strong-willed. Having strong determination and not easily influenced by others. He is strong-willed and stands by his decisions. Weak-willed. Lacking determination or easily influenced. She is weak-willed and easily gives in. Cautious. Careful to avoid danger or mistakes. You should be cautious before making a big decision. Reckless. Acting without thinking about the risks or consequences. You shouldn't be reckless when making decisions. Concise. Short and clear, using few words. His explanation was concise. Wordy. Using more words than necessary. Her email was too wordy. Astute. Very clever and quick to understand situations. She is astute in business. Naive. Innocent or lacking experience and judgment. He was naive to trust them. Vigilant. Always alert and watchful for danger or problems. Parents must remain vigilant about their children's safety. Negligent. Not paying enough attention or being careless. You shouldn't be negligent about safety rules. Composed. Calm, controlled, and not easily upset. She stayed composed during the interview. Flustered. Nervous, confused, or upset, often because of pressure. He felt flustered during the interview. Diplomatic. Polite and careful in dealing with people or sensitive situations. He gave a very diplomatic answer. Blunt. Very direct and sometimes rude or harsh. Her blunt reply shocked everyone. Thrifty. Careful with money, not wasteful. He is thrifty and saves well. Extravagant. Spending too much money or using more than necessary. She lives an extravagant lifestyle. Objective. Fair and not influenced by personal feelings or opinions. The judge stayed objective during the trial. Biased. Showing unfair preference for one side. The judge was accused of being biased. Skeptical. Doubtful, not easily convinced. He is skeptical of online ads. Gullible. Easily tricked or fooled. She is gullible and believed the lie. Impeccable. Perfect, without any faults or mistakes. His English grammar is impeccable. Flawed. Having defects or weaknesses. The argument was flawed and lacked evidence. Scrupulous. Very honest, careful, and morally upright. She is scrupulous in her work. Corrupt. Dishonest or morally wrong, especially in positions of power. The official was corrupt. Judicious. Showing good judgment or careful thought. He made a judicious decision. Rash. Acting too quickly without thinking about the consequences. It was a rash move. Lucid. Clear and easy to understand. Her explanation was lucid. Confusing. Difficult to understand or unclear. The instructions were confusing. Stern. Very strict or serious in manner. The coach was stern about discipline. Lenient. Not strict, showing mercy or tolerance. The teacher was lenient with late homework. Vague. Not clear or exact. His instructions were vague. Precise. Very exact and accurate. Please give precise details. Plausible. Seeming reasonable or likely to be true. Her story sounds plausible. Improbable. Unlikely to happen or be true. That story is improbable. Meticulous. Very careful and paying close attention to details. She's meticulous about reports. Sloppy. Careless or messy in work or appearance. His handwriting is sloppy and hard to read.